everybody, it's Marlette from Handcrafted by Marlette, and I just had to do this short little video to show you. Remember video 6 when I showed you how to make these beautiful ornaments? Well, here's the first one I made, and then the one I showed you on the video how I made it. Since then, I have to show you what I've done. And there'll be stills at the end, as usual. Alright, so since I made those, I made another peacock one, like this one. But this time I embellished it with some stones, which I thought was really pretty. And added the feather, like the other one. Alright. And then I did this one. Now these are 4-inch round, and they're like a disc, like an oval. And this one came out really pretty. I silk screened, and then I glued on the ribbons, and it came out really nice. Then I used this. Then I get the smaller ones, which came out really pretty. These are like 3 inches round. Trimmed it up, put the gold on the back. Came out real pretty. Also silk screened. This is another 3-inch round. Again, silk screen, and then put the stones in. Came out really nice. And the trim. Kept the back plain, all one color. It's like a midnight blue. This one here came out real cute. Hold on 1 second here. Silk screened. The back. And I made this little feather thing like months ago. And I just kind of tossed it aside, thinking I'll use that one day. And it just fit in perfectly with this ornament. Now they also, I found that they come in a square, which was kind of interesting. So I made this one. And this one came out really pretty. I put the pearls on it and made the texture on it. And what I like about these is they don't scream Christmas. So I just display them on top of my mantle. And they have a little display, ornament holder. And they look really pretty. So, ornaments don't have to be all Christmassy or all like that. They can be little pieces of art that you can display on a shelf year-round. And that's what I tried to do with these. Not one snowman, not one snowflake, not one Santa Claus, not a poinsettia, none of that cliche Christmassy stuff. So, like I was saying, it's limitless. It is limitless. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it gave you some ideas. And I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. And also, I'm going to try to get these on my Etsy. So, you go to my Facebook, Handcrafted by Marlette, and hit the shop button. It'll take you right there. Okay? Have a great day. Thanks for watching.